Hello, I'm Sage. Welcome to another edition of the Hot Performer Show here on Kalkine TV. In today's episode, we'll be throwing some light on NRW Holdings share price. NRW Holdings is an ASX listed civil and mining contractor providing ranges of diversified services to the energy, resources and civil infrastructure sectors throughout Australia. The company today announced on the ASX signing of a few new contracts. And while NRW Holdings subsidiary DIAB Engineering has signed two contracts worth about 78 million Australian dollars, it's another subsidiary Golding Contractors who have also executed a mining services agreement with Wanbindi Coal worth a phenomenal 800 million Australian dollars. Let's look at the announcements in detail now. DIAB Engineering offers tailored mine-to-market services and is a specialist mine maintenance and shutdown services provider. It has signed two contracts with top mining companies Lynas Rare Earths and Rio Tinto. DIAB's contract with 100% subsidiary of Lynas Rare Earths, Lynas Kalgoorlie Pty Ltd, is for the construction of filter buildings for processing and making further concentration of the rare earth. DIAB's work includes the supply, fabrication and erection of filter buildings, installation of associated equipment and piping and electrical and instrumentation installations. DIAB will be carrying out around 1,500 tonnes of fabrication works for the filter building with the help of 80 local team members. Also, a construction workforce of 60 to 80 shall be mobilised to site in the coming months. DIAB Engineering Services for Rio Tinto Iron Ores, Tom Price and Western Turner Crushers is to supply, fabricate and install multiple dust suppression systems. Gets rather dusty out there, and these systems are to assist with improved control and suppression of dust generated from Rio's operations. The project will involve 60 people at its peak and will run for 12 months. NRW Holdings 100% subsidiary Golding Contractors also executed a mining services agreement with Wanbindi Coal for its Baralaba North mine. The contract's duration is 5.5 years. It is valued at about 800 million Australian dollars and marks the strong relationship between Golding and Wanbindi. Golding has been providing contract mining services at Baralaba North Mine for the last 4 years. The agreement will commence on 1st July 2022. Now let's take a look at NRW's share price movement. After the announcement of the new contracts being signed, NRW's share price gained 3.51% and its shares were trading at $1.76 in the morning session on the ASX. The share price has dropped more than 11% in the last month, however, and has given a negative return of 5.19% on a year-to-date basis. In the last year, the stock has gained 18.46%. NRW's share price lost 5.74% in the last 6 months as well. So before we wrap up, here's a quick update on the hot performing stocks during the afternoon session on the ASX today, and these include Imugene, which gained 11.54%. Look out for an exclusive interview with Imugene's Managing Director and CEO Leslie Chong by Kalkine TV out shortly. Ingenia Communication was up 5.69%. James Hardie Industries was up 5.14%. And lastly, Mesoblast posted gains of 5.14%. Thanks so much for your company on that one. But that's all for this edition of the Hot Performer Show. Meanwhile, keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market and business insights. Sage here, signing off for now.